Brake, brake, brake!
Here we go.
9 o'clock road! 9 o'clock road!
I see him. We're losing him.
I got the throttle wide open. They're too damn fast. Son of a bitch. Those babies are gone.
I'm losing power. Stay left. I'll get him. I'll get him. This is for Maurice. Brilliant! Smokey, brilliant!
Easy, we got one crossing in front of us. Start firing. You'll fly right into it.
I know. I got him.
These jets ain't nothing.
We need more speed. Let's get some altitude.
Easy, right there. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
I got him. I got him.
Now that's how it's done.
Smokey! Smokey! I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm all right. I'll be damned. They missed me. No holes in me, baby. Woo! Come on.
Now we're losing power on engine 4. That's it for us, guys. We're turning around.
We got a straggler. 2 o'clock.
Oh, I see him. I see him. I'm on the grid one. We'll get down there and cover it.
Lightning, form up. We're going back. We got a crooked bomber to protect.
Easy, you got pretty boy on your tail. Coming around.
Where? I don't see him.
Ah! Damn it! I'm headed right for you. Got him! I've got him! Get out of my way!
What the hell are you doing?
Dive right now! Dive! That's the end of Pretty Boy!
Lightning, pull up! Lightning, pull up! Pull back on your stick! Lightning!